Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another chat video. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload. A lot of people have been asking me on how to grow a server on Discord, so I have brainstormed 5 tips and tricks on how to grow a server. Making and growing a server requires a lot of time of doing these steps and repeating the process. So, without further ado, let's start the video. The first tip to grow your Discord server is to invite the people that you know, your classmates, your friends, your family, and more. The reason why this is important is that if you invite people off Discord, no one will join because people will most likely only join large developed servers, rather than a server with only you in it. So don't forget to invite people that are loyal to you. The second tip that I would recommend you to do is to put your Discord server on listing sites such as top.gg, Discord, and advertisement channels on other Discord servers. This is a good way because people actually look at these listing servers to see which servers they want to join, and if they are interested in your server, then they will join your server. This method has helped me get 15% of my members in both servers, and it is a pretty good method to get members. Another tip that I recommend that you do is to partner and affiliate with other servers. This is basically like a member trade because of the fact that the objective of partnering is to get as many people from the other server into yours. Just make sure you have a partnership guidelines set up and a visible partner channel, then you're ready. I mean, who doesn't like giveaways and events? Number 4 tip, doing giveaways and events. Since there are a lot of people that like giveaway and events, it makes sense to do giveaway and events to bring people into your server. Doing giveaways and events will not only attract more people to your server but getting people engaged to your server. The last tip that I recommend you to do is to make and set. This motivates your already existing members to go invite their friends, resulting in more members in your server. Add rewards such as more perms, access to an exclusive chat, and a shout out when a user reaches a certain amount of invites. A bonus tip that I would recommend is that if you have spare cash, to buy paid advertisements on servers. I understand not everyone has spare money here, but if you have spare money then I recommend you to spare some on paid advertising. This could get you thousands of members depending on which servers you buy advertisements on. Thanks for watching the video, and if you found this video helpful then please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe.